Welcome back to our channel Statistics Bio 7. In today's episode 9, we are going to learn how to create a box and whisker plot in MedCalc software with a biomedical dataset. A box and whisker plot, also called a box plot, is a graphical method to display the mean, the separate of your data and potential outliers. It widely used in biomedical data analysis to compare variables like hemoglobin levels across different groups. First of all, open the data set, go to the open data file and select our data. In Excel sheet already data created, so select for the Excel file, then click to the open button. So now the data imported to the MedCalc software. Then go to the top menu, select the statistics and distributions plot, select for the subcategory of box and whisker plot. Then open new dialog box for first one for the variables. The selected only for the numeric variable for our data in hemoglobin. So select the variable the hemoglobin milligram per deciliter and optional for the filter. Use this if you want to display only the specific row like a single treatment group. For control, treatment A and treatment B. The next one for the options, the checkbox for the plot all the data. Tick this if you want to show all individual points along with the box. This helps visualize the distributions clearly. The next one for the logarithmic transforms. This is only for the sake and needed to the long scaling, but our data normal. So leave for the unclicked the checkbox. The next one for the graph ordination, with vertical or horizontals. So keep it's a vertical for this demo. So click to the OK button. Then now created for the box and whisker plot. Now customized for the plot, select for the layer, right click, the hind grid lines. The next one for the select the box plot and right click, the format axis and whisker. Open the new tab. The first one for the fill the color. Select the color, anyone choose, and the fill the style options, different patterns available for the MedCalc. So anyone choose. Next one for the border color, select to the black and the border with thick or thin. So which one selected? Your options. Then click the OK button. Now the color change. The next for the simple of our data, right click, the format marker. So marker tab open, the marker color selected. I choose for the red color and the marker style selected for the fill oval and fill the color, choose the red and then click to the OK button. So changed the color and next one for the customized the font options. So select for the y-axis value, right click, format y-axis. So this is for the minimum and maximum value of this y-axis and the change to the font, select for the hemoglobin, right click, format title, then choose the color for the hemoglobin and choose already the font for the Time Roman set. So if you want any font, choose the options, so directly change. Okay, so this is for the created box and whisker plot in MedCalc software. If you any doubt for the creating the box plot for the MedCalc software, leave me comments in the comment box. I will reply to you. Thank you for watching this video.